Today's home is a great example of the city home concept that we're starting to see in new construction throughout metro Atlanta. These homes are single-family detached residences, typically 3 floors, close proximity, often walkable to dining, shopping, and schools. It's a popular trend. A lot of buyers are looking for the convenient, low-maintenance lifestyle it provides with a single-family home. This is 3420 Archerfield Way in Smyrna. Notice the custom trim work on the walls here in the entryway gives a nice elegant feel as soon as you walk in. This is the new 12-home Archerfield community by Traton Homes, named Cobb County's best builder the last 5 years in a row. This home is 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, over 2,600 square feet of living space, and homes like this start in the low 700s, listed by Paula Burr with Traton Homes. We just saw the entry-level bedroom suite, which is currently being used as the sales office. And here is an amazing feature, an elevator that serves all 3 levels. Every home in this community is equipped to have an elevator. Here's the entrance to the 2-car garage, accessible from the rear of the home. It's an excellent floor plan for multi-generational living. You've got the entry-level suite for your aging parents or adult kid. It would also make a great private home office, sequestered from the rest of the house, making it easier for you to get your work done without being disturbed by other family members. We've got beautiful flowing open concept living space here on the 2nd level, sun drenched from all of the big windows, 10-foot ceilings. The kitchen has a striking, timeless look with its warm hues. Oversized waterfall quartz island. That is brushed quartz that gives it a leathered look and texture. You've got all stainless steel appliances, double ovens, 6-burner gas cooktop. It's a super functional layout for meal prep, but it also has eye-catching design elements like the hexagonal backsplash, the upper cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. It's the kind of kitchen that visitors just naturally gravitate to, and the entire layout is just perfect for entertaining. The big open floor plan is very conducive to mingling, and if you want to have a great party, your guests have got to be able to mingle. They can mingle inside or they can mingle outside. You've got 2 big covered balconies at the front and rear of the home. There's the middle school just across the street, the community fire pit and arbor right next door. A nice place to meet and hang out with your neighbors. Archerfield also has walking trails within the community. The 2nd level also has a big open dining area. Here is the access point for the elevator. I really love the design of the great room with its wood beam ceiling, giving it a rustic look, and the contemporary linear fireplace. It has a very eclectic but warm and homey vibe. Just awesome space to enjoy life with friends and family. And there's more great outdoor space to enjoy your leisure time. This deck is huge, covered, screened in for year-round use. Just picture how nice it would be to have your morning coffee or dinner, a nice glass of wine in the evening. With the weather in Atlanta, you can enjoy a deck like this at least 46 weeks out of the year. There are 5 homes currently available for quick move-in in this community, all in the $700,000 to $800,000 range. Here's a convenient powder room, giving you a bathroom on all 3 levels. If you're not familiar with the area, Smyrna is in Cobb County, just outside the Atlanta perimeter. Archerfield is just 2 miles from Truist Park, home of the Atlanta Braves, and the surrounding Battery, which is filled with dining and entertainment options. You're also only 2.5 miles away from the charming Vinings Village, which is also loaded with amazing dining and shopping options. It's walking distance to Taylor Brawner Park. You'll definitely want to stroll over for their Food Truck Tuesdays. It's a really fun weekly event from spring to early fall. There are 2 bedrooms here on the upper level. Each has a walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom. This bedroom is really spacious for a secondary. It'd make a great room for a teenager. This home is zoned for Campbell High School, which gets a solid 7 out of 10 ranking from great schools. And as we saw from the balcony below, you're right across the street from Campbell Middle School. It's a super convenient location. You're also just a few minutes from Buckhead. And even though these homes are already very attractively priced for new construction in this area, they are currently offering a 2% lender credit from one of their preferred lenders that can be used for an interest rate buy down or for closing costs. The laundry room is conveniently located on the upper level, directly adjacent to the gorgeous primary suite. I love the bespoke look of the wide trim work on the accent wall. Gives the room a distinctive visual character. The ensuite bath has a contemporary vibe. Hey there. Sleek white quartz topping the double vanity, bold dark floor tile, and an awesome frameless glass shower. You've got a transom window for light, a built-in bench. Very nice. We'll take a peek inside the linen closet. It is extra deep for all of your towels and bedding. There is a private water closet. Overall, it's a great looking, well laid out primary bath. And of course, closet space is also extremely important. We've got a big walk-in closet with an excellent custom organization system. I like the city home concept. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please drop them in the comments. I am Brian Pruitt. My wife Kelly and I are local realtors. We would love to show you one of the beautiful homes in this community. Our contact information is in the link in our bio. I hope you enjoyed the tour.